and welcome back to my channel. Today we will be covering one of the many tutorials in my Crochet Basics series. This series will be covering the fundamentals of crochet, things like basic stitches, how to make a magic circle, chaining, and many other things. Today we will be covering the single crochet. The single crochet is usually the first stitch that you learn. It's the first one that I learned, and you can use it for lots of things like amigurumi, little stuffed animals, sometimes beanies if you want to make the longest beanie ever. It's going to take you forever, but you can do it. So we're going to learn the single crochet today. Now in our previous video, I taught you how to chain, and I will link that below for you if you need a refresher or you just need to learn how to chain. But I already have one here for us. It's just going to be easier to move things along. So we're going to make 5 single crochets today. So I have chained 6. Now the reason for that is when you put your hook through the loop to make the single crochet, you're not going to be able to put it in the first loop, because if you put it in the first loop, you can see the yarn is in that loop and it's just going to pull right out and unravel everything. So if we're going to make 5 single crochets, then it makes sense to make a chain of 6. So what we're going to do is chain 6 like I have here. And we are going to take our hook and we are going to insert it in the second loop from the hook right here. We're going to put our hook through that loop. Then we're going to yarn over, grab our yarn, pull through that loop. And now we have 2 loops on our hook. We are going to yarn over again and pull through both loops. And there we have created our first single crochet. And we're going to repeat the process along this foundation of our chain. So we're going to go through the loop like so, yarn over, pull through the loop, 2 loops, yarn over, pull through both loops. Now we have 2 single crochets. Let's try that again. Through the loop, yarn over, 2 loops, yarn over again, pull through the 2 loops. 3. In the loop, yarn over, pull through the loop, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Last one, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. And there we have it. That is our row of single crochets. Please remember to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell to be notified when the next tutorial in our Crochet Basics series is posted.